Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the previous class, World Watch 3, I have started a new chapter, Unit 11, Ancient China, Part 1. Now, this is the part 2 of this class, and I'm continue the remaining part of the chapter. In this chapter, you have very interesting topic, silk from ancient China. Silk is obtained from the silkworm. Silkworm is a caterpillar that turns to a moth. In this picture, you can see the first picture of a moth. It's not a butterfly, it's a moth, and they lay eggs on the leaves of the mulberry tree. In the second picture, you can see that a caterpillar comes out of each egg, and you can see in the third picture, the caterpillar makes silk. It spins the silk into a cocoon, and it stays safe inside the cocoon. In the last picture, you can see that it grows into a moth. The silk moth comes out of the cocoon. The people of the China started keeping silk moths about 5,000 years ago. They wove the silk to make the cloth, and no one else before this knew the secret, so the Chinese keep the secret, and they sold their silk throughout the world. The Chinese silk traders traveled along the ancient Silk Road to take silk to the places far away. Towns and cities grew up along the road because the silk traders stopped along the way. Now complete the exercise given on your textbook, page number 75. You have to select the correct words in the bracket and write down in your notebook. So the first one is the silk comes from a tree, caterpillar, or a bird. The second one is the ancient Chinese learned to make silk 5,000 years ago, last year, or 100 years ago. And the third one is they took it to other parts of the world along railways, rivers, or the Silk Road. You have to choose the correct one. Now in your notebook, write down these keywords. Emperor. Emperor is a ruler in charge of an empire. Empire is a land that is made up of other lands when they are captured. Terracotta is a type of clay, and the trader is a person who buys and sells things. Copy down these questions in your notebook and answers by your own. In the first question, you have to write down why did the Great Wall of China become so famous? The reason of becoming the Great Wall of China so famous. In the second question, you have to answer who was the first emperor of the China, the name of that emperor, and why they built walls. You have to answer why they built walls around their land. In the third question, what were the big statues of the Terracotta Army of? You have to mention the name of the big statues of the Terracotta Army. In the last question, how people of China make silk clothes and how they took it to other parts of the world. Now move to your skill book. The exercise given on your page number 44. You have to read about the Qingshi Huang's conquest, and in the map you have to color the map of the lands. The map shows the lands of 6 lands. You have to color the land and use the same color to underline the sentence about it. For example, if you color the land Han with blue color, so you have to underline the first sentence about Han also in blue. You have to underline the same sentence in the blue. And if you color the land Zhao with the red color, so you have to underline the second sentence with red. So in this way you have to color the lands with the different colors and underline with the same color each sentence. Now come to the next exercise given on your page number 45. Belief about death. The people of the ancient China believed that there was another life after death, so they thought they have to take the things with them which would be required in their next life. So King Shi Huan, he made a model army for his tomb so that he could need an army to take after his death in the next life. So you have to answer what these peoples need for their tombs. You have to answer by your own. In the first column, you have to answer that the soldier needs what. The soldier needs weapons, so he needs these. So that what you have to complete the sentences. In the next one, you have also the farmer needs what and how they need these. So that, and the last one, the woman needs is what and she needs it these two what for what reason. So you have to answer by your own. The exercise given on your page number 46, it's the life cycle about the silkworm. So you have to complete these blanks with the help of the word blank given in this picture. And at the last, you have to give the answer at which stage of the silkworm life do the silk makers take the silk. So you have to mention the stage of that silkworm. The exercise given on your page number 47 is about ancient Chinese thinker Confucius thought peoples. The Confucius thoughts are those who think a lot about the how people should behave. So you have to answer 3 sentences what you should not do to other peoples, and in the next three things you have to mention what you should do. So you have to complete the sentences by your own, what you should do not with others and what you should do with others. Now after completing your skill book exercise, come to the worksheet pad. You have to complete this missing words in your worksheet pad. The explanation of your chapter has been completed. Thank you for your attention, students.